Hampton Roads, Virginia, land of ships, seafood, and traffic. This place is surrounded by water. Chesapeake Bay, James River, Elizabeth River. The list goes on. All this water is great for the economy. Shipping, fishing, tourism. It all depends on the Chesapeake Bay and its network of waterways, but it also creates a problem getting around. Bridges are a vital link to the infrastructure that keeps regions moving, connecting highways, ports, and cities into a unified network. But not just any bridges. You need dynamic bridges that can adapt to both land and sea traffic. That's where movable bridges come in. These engineering marvels rise and swing with precision to allow ships to pass, then return to position seamlessly, carrying cars and trucks on their way without missing a beat. Without these bridges, getting around Hampton Roads would be far more difficult. Traffic would slow, commutes would lengthen, and the smooth flow of goods and services would face constant delays. These bridges aren't just impressive to watch. They're the lifeblood of this region. They keep things moving, both in traffic and in the regional economy. Take the Berkeley Bridge. This 6-lane giant connects downtown Norfolk to Portsmouth. It carries an estimated over 100,000 vehicles daily. This figure is inferred from the combined traffic volume of the Berkeley Bridge and the adjacent downtown tunnel, which together accommodate more than 3 million vehicles per month. Without it, ships would be cut off from the port, and thousands of commuters would face massive detours, grinding Norfolk's daily flow of military and civilian traffic to a halt. Then there's the high-rise bridge. This bridge in Chesapeake, Virginia, is a critical component of the region's transportation infrastructure, facilitating the movement of thousands of vehicles daily. It's a vital link between Chesapeake and Portsmouth. These two bascule bridges are some of the most impressive workhorses of Hampton Roads. They don't get a lot of attention, but they get the job done. Now let's talk about the James River Bridge. This bridge is iconic. It connects Newport News to Isle of Wight County, spanning the mighty James River. Opened in 1928, it was the longest bridge over water in the world at that time, spanning approximately 4.39 miles. It's also a major route for tourists heading to Virginia Beach and the Outer Banks, and is the easternmost crossing of the James River without a tunnel component. The James River Bridge is more than just a bridge. It's a symbol of connection and progress for the entire region. The Benjamin Harrison Bridge, named after Benjamin Harrison V, a signer of the Declaration of Independence and former Virginia governor. Completed in 1966, this bridge replaced a ferry service that previously operated at this location. The bridge hosts nesting boxes for peregrine falcons as part of a conservation effort. Collaborating with the College of William and Mary, Virginia's Department of Transportation has facilitated the successful breeding of these once-endangered birds on the bridge's towers. The Benjamin Harrison Bridge connects Charles City County to Prince George County. It might not be as busy as some of the other bridges, but it's just as important. These two vertical lift bridges, each with its unique design, are testaments to human ingenuity. The George P. Coleman Memorial Bridge, commonly known as the Coleman Bridge, is a remarkable double-swing span bridge that connects Yorktown and Gloucester Point across the York River in Virginia. Designed by Parsons Brinckerhoff in 1952, the Coleman Bridge features two center pivot swing spans that operate in tandem, allowing the bridge to open for maritime traffic. This design was a compromise to accommodate the U.S. Navy's need for unobstructed navigation to upstream facilities, such as the Naval Weapons Station Yorktown. The bridge's construction utilized hollow pier construction with the open dredge caisson method, addressing the poor bearing characteristics of the York River's subsoil. This bridge is notable for being the largest double-swing span bridge in the United States and the second largest in the world. Now let's talk about the team that allows all of this to happen. First up, the electrical engineers. Electrical engineers are the brains behind the control and power systems that make Virginia's movable bridges function safely and efficiently. At the heart of their responsibilities is the maintenance of the bridge's motor control systems, power distribution, and automation infrastructure. Regular testing and inspection is vital. Electrical engineers frequently calibrate sensors and limit switches, check for voltage drops or shorts, and inspect wiring, relays, and breaker panels for signs of wear or corrosion. Given the humid, salt-rich environment around these waterways, Corrosion and moisture intrusion are constant challenges. Look at the Benjamin Harrison Bridge, for example. This vertical lift structure uses powerful electric motors to raise and lower its 360-foot center span. They are the silent operators behind the motion that keeps our bridges and our communities connected. Mechanical engineers, keeping things moving. These engineers are responsible for maintaining and calibrating the motors, gears, counterweights, and everything in between. These folks make sure the bridge lifts and lowers smoothly without any hiccups. On a swing bridge like the Coleman, this includes massive center pivot systems that must rotate smoothly under high loads and align precisely to lock the bridge back into place, so the bridge stays in tip-top shape. It's a tough job. The backbone of the bridge. And of course, we can't forget the structural engineers. These are the masterminds behind the bridge's design. They play a vital role in inspecting and maintaining the bascule leaves, trunnion bearings, counterweight supports, and pivot joints that enable the bridge to open for maritime traffic. They make sure it's strong enough to handle the weight of traffic, the forces of nature, and the test of time. They play a critical role in ensuring public safety and structural integrity. They perform routine inspections every 1 to 2 years, using specialized tools like drones, snooper trucks, and a variety of other tools to identify signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. Together, this team of engineers are tasked with maximizing the reliability and safety of critical infrastructure while staying within public budgets, making decisions that affect thousands of daily commuters, commercial traffic, and maritime operations. Unsung heroes, lasting impact. So, next time you're crossing one of these bridges, take a moment to appreciate the people who made that bridge possible. The engineers, the construction workers, the maintenance crews, they all play a vital role. These bridges are more than just concrete and steel. They represent progress, connection, and the ingenuity of the human spirit. They're a testament to the hard work and dedication of countless individuals. And that's something worth celebrating.